it's Erica. Welcome to today's video. I am going... Okay, so now oh my gosh. Oh, you know what? I hit the button. There we go. Okay, so today I'm going out to an antique shop, and I'm very excited about it. And my mom is not coming with me because she is still sick. And yeah, so it's just gonna be Molly and I going, and we might stop at TJ Maxx. I'm not sure. I don't think I'm gonna film in there today, film a video, because I don't like filming on the weekends because there's so many people. But I'll probably just go like sometime this week. You know, I wish. Okay. Sometime this week, so we'll see. But I'm gonna go to this antique place. I'm definitely going to Grocery Outlet because there's a couple things that I want to pick up for this week, like fruit and stuff for smoothies, and a couple things for Molly's lunches. Crap, I gotta pee now. But yeah, so all of that stuff is in the same area, so it'll be pretty easy to go to. But yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I don't know if I'm allowed to film inside the antique place because some of them have like rules where you can't film in there or have any, like, one of them had a place or like a sign that said you can't have your bags or like bigger purses in there, and I had Molly's diaper bag and I had to leave it in the car because I wasn't allowed to take it in the building, which is crazy because it's a diaper bag. Like, I'm not gonna shove anything in it. It's like solely for my child, but whatever. So I don't know if I'll be able to film in here or not, but also let's talk about my hair. Like, look at how, I mean, it didn't turn out exactly how I wanted, but it still turned out pretty good. I'm filming a video with this hairstyle, but that won't be out for another couple of months at least, because it'll be, well, yeah, a couple of months, probably like April, I'd say April, May probably. So yeah, but it looks a lot different on me, but I kind of like it. I like it. It just takes a little bit of extra time to do, but I do like it. And I try and crunch, like I scrunch everything, but then some of the pieces get like extra hard and I don't like that. But anyways, stop rambling on. I'm going to go, oh my gosh, this lighting, I might need to take a selfie. Oh my, yes. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and I will see you guys once we get there. Hey guys, so I just got out of the antique place. Oh my gosh, I despise that place right now. Going by myself is a freaking disaster. It has some really nice things in there, really nice collectibles, really nice antiques and things like that. Oh geez, I just ruined the whole angle here. So they had some really nice stuff like that. My issue with it was, as soon as I tried to park, some lady being all snooty, you can't park here, you can't be here, we gotta get out. It's like, thank you. Like, if you would notice, my backup lights are on, I'm trying to get the hell out of here and I can't because you're standing here. Anyways, I went in, I didn't see a ramp to go up with the stroller, so I had to get Molly out, walk her up, pick up the stroller, walk that up the stairs, and then put it down, which was a hot mess, which threw my anxiety through the roof. And then I felt like because I wore makeup, people were staring at me like I didn't fit in there, and it just really, I don't like being in places like that by myself. It's too much stuff around. Like, I don't have OCD, but I do like my stuff organized and cleaned up and put together, and some of that stuff just wasn't, and it was out everywhere and where you can hit it. And I want to go back a later date with Becca or my mom or my grandma, I don't really care, but like go and just look around a little closer. I did find one thing that I did end up purchasing, and I'm very excited about it. I found a couple other things that I wanted, but I wanted other people's opinions because I can't return anything once I purchase it. So let me just show you here. This is what it looks like. It says keep filled bottle away from fine finishes. Nice. But it looks like this, and it has a little squeezy thing. The squeezy thing is a little dirty, I'm not gonna lie. It has a little bit of makeup or something on it, but you know what? I saw a lot of these which are really, really nice, but this thing is like just done. It's just done for. But this looks really, really nice. It has it still like pumps out stuff, so like I could fill it up if I really wanted to. But it's so beautiful. Yeah, see, it still has a little thingy. But I just thought that this was so gorgeous, and it was only $10, which some of the other ones I saw were like $22 and like $18 or something. But yeah, so somebody just like came out of their house here. But yeah, so that's what I purchased, and I really, really, really am glad that I picked that up. And let me just try and rewrap this. That was a terrible wrap job. So I just wrapped that back up, and like I said, I want to go back. I saw other stuff that I wanted. I just wasn't in the mood to go through it and purchase it right now. And I wanted some other people's opinions on it, and yeah, so, oh, the bag just exploded. So I don't know what we're gonna do now. I kind of have to pee it, and I kind of want to drink. And I was gonna go to grocery outlet, but I'm kind of not in the mood to do that. It's already 1 o'clock. I kind of just want to head home, stop at McDonald's and get a cold drink for $1. Right? McDonald's still has $1 drinks, right? Any size? I think so, but yeah, so I think I might just head home. I don't know, I feel like that place was just so big, and there was so much stuff to look at. I mean, I started getting lost in there, which is like crazy. But I kind of don't want to go anywhere else. That's so odd for me. But I feel like I was just so overwhelmed with everything and with everybody in there. And the anxiety kind of like wore me out. Which is like really how I feel. So, I mean, I know I'm already out here, but I don't know. I kind of don't want to go anywhere else. I don't know, guys. And it's supposed to start snowing this afternoon. I don't think it has started yet, but I'm not sure, so I don't know. But I guess I'll just head home, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna head home and call my mom and see if she's ready to go to the grocery store. If not, I guess we're just chilling in the house today. I don't really know. I wonder if there's any other antique places around here. I know there's one near my home, but it's like the opposite direction from here. And you really can't push a stroller through that one. So I don't know. Alright, we'll see. Alright guys, so I had just gotten home, and my mom and I were supposed to go to the grocery store together, and she didn't want to sit up here. Ew. Okay, that just looks awful. It's not gonna sit. So my mom doesn't want to go to the grocery store, so I guess I'm going by myself. And it's started to snow. I don't know if you guys can, yeah, you guys can see. It started snowing, so Molly and I are going to the grocery store, and guess what? My purse broke. My purse broke. I'm so irritated, so I now know what I'm going to be doing this Friday or Monday. I might just go out Monday and look, but my purse broke. I was looking at TJ Maxx today, but I didn't find anything I liked, but I'm very upset that my purse broke right before I was going to the grocery store. So irritating, but let's go to the grocery store. Hey guys, so I am home now. I went to the grocery store. My hair is no longer the way that it was, so I can't film anything. Wonderful. But I'm still gonna vlog for the rest of the day, the rest of the evening, I guess. It's like 6:30, and Molly's down with my dad at the moment. I'm going to make buffalo chicken dip because I want to. So I have Frank's Red Hot sauce, I have cream cheese, I have mild cheddar, ranch, and a can of chicken because nobody got time to make their own chicken. So I don't know how I'm going to set you guys up here and how good the quality is going to look. Also, I have this is a pie pan, but it still works, and a bowl. Also, measuring cups are needed. Also, some mixing tool, whatever you want to use. Anyways, so I don't know how good the quality is going to be or how well you guys are going to see this, but if you guys want me to do like an in-depth proper video, let me know in the comments and I will be sure to do that. So I'm going to basically wing this because, you know, why else, like how else would I do it? Because the person that I followed their recipe on Pinterest, they deleted it off their page, so it keeps giving me like an error. So that's wonderful. So I let my cream cheese like thaw out while I was at the grocery store, so then that way it's easier to mix up. So I'm just opening that now here, and it tells you like where to open it at, so that way you don't touch it, because if you're like me, I don't like cream cheese, so I don't want to touch it. And isn't that ironic that it's in this recipe, but guess what? You don't taste it. So I'm just going to take, you know what? I'm going to take this really, really big fork and just scrape it off, put it into the bowl, and then throw that in the trash then. Alright, so let me put you down over here, I guess. Can you see? Alright, so you guys can see the bowl. So I have that cream cheese in here, and then I'm going to open up my can of chicken. You're going to want as best as you can, and then just dump it in there, shred it in the bowl. There you go. And then I'm going to take my hot sauce. This is Frank's, or this is the knockoff Frank's hot sauce, but it's still good. Cup of the hot sauce. You can add more or less depending on how spicy you want it. And you know what? I'm just gonna add a little bit more, as you can see. And I'm going to do half a cup of that as well. And then I'm just going to scrape it out here to mix everything together. And I think I'm going to have to grab a mixer. Oh. And I'm going to put I think it says like half a cup, but I'm not really going to measure it out because I like cheese in mine. Is take your pan or dish, whatever you're putting in the oven, and oh yeah, make sure your oven is set to, I put mine on 375. So I'm just pouring it in here like so. You can't even see it. I'm just going to take your cheese again and put a nice layer. Alright, honestly, I just kind of eyeball it. I just come out and check it every now and then. Yeah, so while that's cooking, clean up your dishes, put your ingredients back in the fridge or wherever you need to put them, and then we'll check up on the dip in a little bit. Alright guys, so this is what it came out looking like. Doesn't it look at the golden brown? Yes. Alright, I can't wait to eat into this. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this little cooking with me. Now I'm gonna go chill and watch Thawne with my mom. Look at it. Looks so good. Okay, so here's Thawne. It's not really focusing. Oh, there we go. The pep rally is up next. You guys have to get a glimpse of this because the swimmers... Okay, am I right? The swimmers are the best part of the whole thing, right?
They have been so far.
Yeah. They take their clothes off, like their shirts.
Not the clothes.
They take their shirts off. But now they're just like...
They're just wasting time, yeah.
Yeah, they're running late, so I'll catch up with you guys once once they what do they come back on? Yes.
So that's going to be Jesse's team. So
They're
Sandy, let us know who's from the west side tonight.
All right, the west side.
Who do you think's gonna win this
Going
year,
east-west this year.
Just a guess.
For the west, women's volleyball.
Probably the swim team, though.
I think the football team is good. I think they won last year, but I think they're gonna win this year. Or do they do lacrosse? Maybe lacrosse. But if you guys see, where's my finger? Over here. That is an NFL player from the Eagles that just won. They have Pittsburgh, somebody else from something, I don't know. But they cannot top the special guest because Joe Jonas was there last year. Are you watching my phone? Oh. Maybe gymnastics will win this year.
Love it. All right.
They're pretty good. I'm only going to show you guys the good ones, like the football players, the swim team, and what was that other? The gymnastics. I'm just going to show you those guys because those are the best ones. The girls, they're so-so. I think the girls gymnastics team is usually pretty good,
Women's volleyball.
but women's volleyball is up first. They aren't always that good.